Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can move games from your Switch internal storage onto a microSD card. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you want to go into your settings. After that, you want to scroll down a little bit until you come to data management. Then you want to go to move data between console / microSD express card. After that, you want to then click on move to microSD express card. Then you want to scroll and select the game or games you want to move over. So I'll move over Animal Crossing and Bayonetta. Once you select them, you need to then click on move. Then click on move to confirm. The time it takes to move will depend on how big the games are. And once it's done, you'll be told move complete. And that's all you have to do to move games from your system memory to your microSD card on your Switch 2. Thanks for being a great audience. I'll see you next time.